Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I go from straight hair to curly hair. I'm going to start off by damping my hair with warm water and going to be using the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost shampoo. This shampoo is really sudsy and it smells somewhat like oranges. When I'm washing, I mainly focus on my scalp to get all the buildup out. In this video, you'll see that I also focus on my strands. That's because my hair was straight for about 3 to 4 weeks, so I was using products to maintain it, and I want to make sure I get all of that out. This is my hair half shampooed and the other half is still semi-stretchy. Now my entire head is fully shampooed. This is a quick texture shot. Now I'm going to separate my hair into sections so I can decondition. I just use a clip to hold my hair up. I'm going in with the Pantene repairing mask, and I'm using a healthy amount of that and making sure I cover all of my strands. While applying the deep conditioner, I also finger detangle and try to get out as many knots as possible without using a wide tooth comb or any brush of that sort. And in this clip, I'm squeezing the product into my strands. Now I'm doing the exact same thing to the other side. This product has a lot of slip. As you can see, my hand is just gliding through my hair as I detangle. Now I'm making sure I apply some deep conditioner to my edges and the nape of my head. I'm using 2 shower caps and a t-shirt to prep my hair for ultimate deep conditioning. And I'm leaving the deep conditioner for 20 minutes. I'm out of the shower, my hair is rinsed out, and this is what it looks like without product. I'm splitting my hair in 2 sections so I can begin styling. I'm going in with the Leave On Detangling Milk from the same series. It's a generous amount of product as I apply it to that section of my hair. Now I'm using my DIY hair growth oil and applying it to the strands in that same section. I use a generous amount as well, and I apply it to that same section, making sure each strand is fully coated. I take a small amount of hair and I begin twisting. These are simple 2-strand twists, and I'm applying product as I go in areas that I feel are a little bit dry. I'm going to repeat the same steps throughout the entire section. This is a close-up of what my hair is looking like. My twists are super juicy and moisturized. I'm going to put on my bonnet and let my hair air dry. This is actually 2 days later, and I am now taking my twists. They are fully dry and ready to be taken out. When taking out my hair, I apply a little bit of the DIY oil and I begin working from the back. I just let the hair separate in however many pieces it wants to naturally. This is a close-up of what I'm doing. I'm just separating the hair. Some strands are separated into 3-4 pieces, some less, some more, depending on how it wants to separate. When separating, I'm not too worried about frizz just because I like the big puffy look. If you're not a fan of that, you might want to take your time when separating your hair. As you can see, I have some great definition in the back. My hair is fully moisturized and super curly. I'm going to carry on to take the rest of my twist out. All of my twists are now out and my hair is super fluffy and defined. I'm going to go in with my pick and just pick at my roots a little bit. These are my end results. Happy to report that there was no heat damage. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle, like, comment, and subscribe.